this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a quarterly cleaning. We like to try to get in here more than every quarter. Just look at that. These hard stains here. I have no idea what this is. We're gonna do our best we can to get this out of here. Look at this traffic area right in here. Wow. We got our work cut out for us today. All right, stay tuned. We're here with Be Clean Professionals, and wow, look at the difference to the floor. This hallway, there are black stains everywhere. Black stains all over. You see it's still faint, but that's in the camera. The synthetic fiber picks it up really big in the camera, but in the natural eye, you can't see anything there. Yeah, there were black stains all over this entire place. Okay, so we come here quarterly. Should be more often, like every 2 months, because like even this area right here, the bathrooms were completely dark and pitch black. These two stains won't come up. We don't know what those are. We use a hydrogen peroxide on there, color safe bleach on there. Tried everything. That's a set in stain. But everything else came up perfect. All right. And you can see, just to give you an idea, that's how dark it was right there. Where this door jamb was. We can't get to that part. The pad just pounces right all over the place. But that's how dark it was. All right, stay tuned for the next one.